It's something like a mirror, and I can't help but notice you reflect in this heart of mine. Did you ever feel alone and the glare makes me hard to find? Just know that I'm always parallel on the other side. Switch your hand in my hand and a pocket full of soap. I can tell you there's no place we can go. Just put your head on the glass, I'll be trying to pull you through. You just gotta be strong. I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy inside of my heart. There's space and now you're home. Show me how to fight for now. And I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figured it out. You were right here all along. It's like you're a mirror, my mirror staring back at me. Couldn't get any clearer with anyone else beside me. And now it's clear as a promise that we make it two reflections into one. 'Cause it's like you're a mirror, my mirror staring back at me, staring back at me. I'm looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy inside of my heart. There's space and now you're home. Show me how to fight for now. And I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figured it out. You were right here all along. It's like you're a mirror, my mirror staring back at me. I couldn't get any bigger with anyone else beside of me. Now it's clear as this promise that we're making two reflections into one. 'Cause it's like you're a mirror, my mirror staring back at me, staring back at me. Natalo na sa ending. Happy birthday, Ray. First time mo birthday sa TV, 21 ka na. And sandali lang po. Kayo naman. Magkaisa mo kami kasi lahat ng tao susubukan tayong ibabae. Alam mo yan. Basta dito lang ako, hindi kita bababayaan. Lahat ng sinasabi ko sa'yo, totoo. I love you.
Salamat. Alam mo, share ko lang kasi nagtatampo kasi ako dito. As in, 4 days na ako nagtatampo sa kanila. Secret na yung rason kung bakit. Pero ayun, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung gifts mo ngayon, na knowing na sa'yo talaga siya galing. Tapos, ayun, kahit na marami akong gusto sabihin sa'yo, pero alam mo na yun eh, parang paulit-ulit ko siya sinasabi sa'yo, tsaka pinaparamdam. Pero ayun, maraming salamat kasi alam ko naman na nandyan ka lang lagi para
basta, kahit nasan ka pa, pupuntahan kita.
Huwag mo, alam mo, magtatampo na ulit ako sa'yo.
Sandali! Sandali! Ano yun, Tinidora? Sandali! Alam nyo, hindi kung hindi pa kayo, wala tayong magagawa, di ba? Pero ang nag-uusap ng totoo, yung magkaharap na ganon, tapos
Ayan!
mata sa mata ang pag-uusap, ganon.
Ganon? Paano?
Oo, ganyan.
Tingin ka sa mata, yung ganon.
Tapos, happy
Tingin sa mata,
birthday.
Ning.
Ning,
Mata sa mata!
Ayun o, matanda ka.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
Isa pa!
Wala naman eh.
Lola, wala naman nangyari.
Lola, dumikit na naman po ulit.
Wala.
Lola, dumampi.
May nakita ba kayo?
Malayo!
Lola, dumampi.
Wala naman. Anong
Malayo!
Hindi ba nakita, Lola?
layo, 1 kilometro layo.
Ate, mo na birthday naman! Hindi niya alam kung anong dinadasal ko!
Ano?
Ano ba dinadasal mo? Sana tumama. Men! Ako na bahala kay Dodong!
Hindi, ako na lang kikisa kayo sa
Sa
cheek.
pisngi na lang.
Sige, sa
Sa
chicks
pisngi
na
na
lang.
lang.
Ah, sa chicks.
Pamanan.
Ako na lang.
Ako na.
Isa,
Oh, bilang kayo. 1,
2, 3.